In this video, some definitions of vector subspace. One of them are linear combination. Definition: let Vf be a vector space if alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n belongs to V, then any vector alpha equals to a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 an alpha n, where a1 a2 up to an belongs to F. F means field. a1 a2 scalars belongs to F field is called linear combination of vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n. And second definition, linear span is also a kind of linear combination of finite number of elements. Linear span definition: let Vf be a vector space and S be any non-empty subset of vector space Vf. The linear span of S is the set of all linear combination of finite sets of elements and denoted by Ls. Linear span denoted by Ls. Thus we have linear span of S. S is a finite set, or we can say S be any non-empty set. Ls a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus up to so on an alpha n, for all alpha 1 alpha 2 up to alpha n is any arbitrary finite subset of S. S means non-empty set, and a1 a2 an is also finite subset of field F. Third definition, linear sum. The linear sum of two subspaces W1 and W2. The definition of linear sum: let W1 and W2 be two subspaces of vector space Vf. The linear sum of subspaces W1 and W2 denoted by W1 plus W2 is that W1 plus W2 equals to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 for all alpha 1 belongs to W1 and alpha 2 belongs to W2. For subspace W of vector space Vf, if W is subspace of vector space Vf, W plus W equals to W, but not 2W. That is the three definitions of topic vector subspace: linear combination, linear span and linear sum. And after it we prove theorem depends on linear sum. The theorem, the statement: if W1 and W2 are subspaces of vector space Vf, then first W1 plus W2 is a subspace of Vf. Second, W1 plus W2 equals to W1 union W2 is that linear span W1 union W2 equals to W1 plus W2. First part, let alpha beta be elements of W1 plus W2. Alpha equals to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 and beta equals to beta 1 plus beta 2 for all alpha 1 beta 1 belongs to W1 and alpha 2 beta 2 belongs to W2. A alpha plus B beta equals to A alpha 1 plus alpha 2, putting the value of alpha and beta, we can write A alpha 1 plus B beta 1 plus A alpha 2 plus B beta 2. We know that W1 is a subspace AB belongs to F alpha 1 beta 1 belongs to W1, then A alpha 1 plus B beta 1 belongs to W1, W2 is also subspace. It means that AB belongs to F, alpha 2 beta 2 belongs to W2, then A alpha 2 plus B beta 2 belongs to W2. Equation 1 in first, A alpha plus B beta belongs to W1 plus W2. Hence, W1 plus W2 is a subspace of vector space VF. Next, second part. Since W2 contain zero vector, alpha 1 equals to alpha 1 plus 0 belongs to W1 plus W2. For all, alpha 1 belongs to W1 and 0 belongs to W2. Similarly, or W1 subset equals to W1 plus W2. Similarly, W2 subset equals to W1 plus W2, or W1 union W2 subset equals to W1 plus W2. Therefore, W1 plus W2 is a subspace containing W1 union W2. To prove W1 plus W2, W1 union W2. Or we should prove, or we should prove linear span W1 plus W2 subset equals to linear span W1 union W2, and linear span W1 union W2 subset equals to W1 plus W2. Let alpha equals to alpha 1 plus beta 1 for all. Alpha 1 belongs to W1 and beta 1 belongs to W2. Alpha 1 beta 1 belongs to W1 plus W2. We have alpha 1 plus beta 1, 1 into alpha 1, 1 into beta 1, alpha 1 plus beta 1 is a linear combination of finite number of elements. Alpha 1 beta 1 belongs to W1 union W2. Also, linear W1 union W2 is the smallest subspace, containing W1 union W2 and W1 plus W2 is a subspace containing W1 union W2. Therefore, linear span W1 union W2 must be contained in W1 plus W2. Consequently, linear span W1 union W2 equals to W1 plus W2. Hence, W1 plus W2 equals to linear span W1 union W2 equals to W1 union W2. Students, we will repeat it again. Since W2 contains 0 vector, alpha 1 may be written as alpha 1 plus 0, alpha 1 belongs to W1, 0 belongs to W2. We can say W1 subset equals to W1 plus W2. Similarly, W2 subset equals to W1 plus W2, or we can write W1 union W2 subset equals to W1 plus W2. Therefore, W1 plus W2 is a subspace containing W1 union W2. We also prove W1 plus W2 equals to W1 union W2. We should prove W1 plus W2 subset equals to linear span W1 union W2 and linear span W1 union W2 subset equals to W1 plus W2. In this regard, let alpha equals to alpha 1 plus beta 1. It means that alpha 1 belongs to W1, beta 1 belongs to W2, alpha 1 beta 1. We can write alpha 1 belongs to W1 plus W2, beta 1 belongs to W1 plus W2. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 may be written as 1 into alpha 1 plus 1 into beta 1. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 is a linear combination of finite number of elements. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 1, beta 1 are finite number of elements, and alpha 1 belongs to W1 union W2, beta 1 belongs to W1 union W2. Also, linear span W1 union W2 is the smallest subspace containing W1 union W2, and W1 plus W2 is a subspace containing W1 union W2. Therefore, linear span W1 union W2 must be contained in W1 plus W2. Point noted. Linear span W is a subspace of containing W1 union W2, and W1 plus W2 is a subspace containing W1 union W2. From this, we can write linear span W1 union W2 equals to W1 plus W2, or W1 plus W2 equals to linear span W1 union W2, or equals to W1 union W2. That's all.